Good morning, everyone. So today is going to be the final recaps of my 1,000-piece wheat cent bag that I purchased last week and have gone through with a fine-tooth comb. A lot of great stuff was found. Lots of great stuff was discovered. I'm going to do this video on what is conceivably the best finds in the bag, and I'm really excited to talk about this one. I'm going to do a subsequent video after this as a general kind of like overview, a recap of the bag itself, in addition to talking about some of the things that I've already done videos on. And without further jibber jabbering, I was fortunate enough to find another Cherry Pickers Guide variety, and this is the 55D double die. And getting the light just right, you could see the doubling on the 1 and 9 right here. This is the lower graded specimen that I'm showing you. You can see the extra tail of the 9 right there, and the 1 has a spread to the left there. You can see that extra bar, and this one also has the doubled eyelid, also the doubled eye. And finding the right, I guess, camera angle. There you go. See that doubled eye right there? So that was, this one's about a VF condition. I mean, it's got nice, strong lines in the wheat stalks. It's a nice circulated grade. Example. So this is the first one here, and I found a really nice red-brown example of the same coin. And this one you're going to be able to see the doubling a little bit more robust on here. So you see the 1, see the extra bar there on the left, and then the extra tail on the 9 right there. There's no doubling characteristics on the 5s, so that's negligible there. And the eye, there you go, doubled eye. This is one that you can't really mistake at all if you come across it. And again, here is the VF brown example. That's what that one looks like. It's nice even wear. You can't ask for anything more. And here's that red brown. It's a little bit of a copper spot or a carbon spot right here at the 3 o'clock position. Aside from that, a really nice example. And this is a variety that I love looking for. It's in your face. You can't really mistake it. Cherry Pickers Guide, right there, 55D, along with the attribution. Information on there, and then pricing detail. Again, these are coins I sell between $5 and $10 a piece. The AU brown I could probably get 10 to 15 ish. There's a close-up of the diagnostics on this one. Doubled eye, 1 and 9. Awesome hits, awesome finds right here. And I think the next bag will be bigger. I'm gonna actually go and purchase one of their 5,000 count bags at 3 cents a piece. You know, we're talking $150 for that bag type. And coin dealers generally prefer to sell them in batches of 5,000, and usually they'll already be bagged up. And what's really neat is they'll use old canvas bank bags to carry these in, whereas my 1,000 count piece, they put them in plastic. But it just makes it easier for them to sell and liquidate, and they'll sell 4 or 5 bags at a time to collectors. But that wraps up this really awesome find on the 55D double die obverse number 1. 2 examples, and again, here, let me show them to you. I'll show both coins side by side. There we go. Pretty nice. I want to thank you guys for joining in on this one. Again, you know what? The next big find may be, right around the corner for you. All you have to do is keep hunting and keep searching. The more content you go through, the higher your odds and your chances are of finding some really significant varieties. Again, it's a lot of fun. You could go through bags and boxes and rolls of pennies, nickels, dimes, quarters. There's something in all of that stuff. But it's a pleasure. Please hit like if you enjoy this video today, and subscribe to Blue Ridge Silverhound if you haven't done so already. Hit the bell for instant notification. It's down below here. And I appreciate your guys' time. I look forward to hearing more of your finds. They are out there. And for those of you that think that these wheat scent bags are thoroughly searched, well, they're not. There's always something that's missing. I have a lot of other varieties I found. I'm not going to talk about them in depth in the corresponding recap video, but I will kind of just glance right through them so that way you guys know, hey, this is what I found here. So appreciate your guys' time. Love you guys. And yeah, I'll catch you later. See ya.